Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Thousand Island dressing. Let's start with the foundational ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise, which provides that essential creamy base. Next, grab a half cup of ketchup. This gives our dressing its signature color and a hint of sweetness. Finally, we'll add 1/4 cup of sweet pickle relish for a delightful tang and a bit of texture. These 3 are your starting point for a fantastic dressing. Now let's enhance those flavors and add some depth. Incorporate 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. It brings a wonderful savory complexity. For a subtle kick, add a half teaspoon of onion powder, or if you prefer, a tablespoon of very finely minced fresh onion. Don't forget a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. It not only adds a lovely color but also a mild, earthy warmth. These additions truly elevate the dressing's profile. Once you have all your ingredients ready, it's time to bring them together. In a medium-sized bowl, simply combine everything. Stir gently but thoroughly until all components are well integrated and the dressing is smooth. Now, here's the fun part. Taste it. Feel free to adjust any seasonings to your preference. If you like it a bit thinner, add a tablespoon or 2 of milk or water until you reach your desired consistency. It's all about personalizing it. To get the best flavor, I highly recommend chilling your Thousand Island dressing for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows all those wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully. It's incredibly versatile, perfect for green salads, as a dip for vegetables, or even as a delicious spread on sandwiches and burgers. When you're done, store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and delicious for up to 1 week. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.